If you're running a handyman business in Australia, chances are your biggest problem isn't finding work, it's having the cash to keep up with it. A van that needs replacing, a slow month in winter, a client who takes 6 weeks to pay. Business finance exists for exactly this situation. Here's what actually works for a handyman business. The most practical option for most handyman is an unsecured business loan. You borrow a set amount, repay it in fixed weekly or monthly installments, and you don't need to put up your house or any other asset as security. That suits a lot of trade businesses where the owner doesn't want to tie personal property to a business decision. What can you use it for? Anything the business needs: new tools and equipment, a vehicle upgrade, a marketing push to get more leads coming in, or simply covering wages and materials while you wait on a payment from a commercial client. Lenders don't dictate how you spend it. That's your call. If your work is more project based and your income comes in irregular chunks, a line of credit can be worth looking at. You get access to a set credit limit, draw down what you need when you need it, and only pay interest on what you've used. For a handyman doing a mix of small domestic jobs and occasional larger contracts, that kind of flexibility can be genuinely useful. Equipment finance is a separate category worth knowing about. If you're buying a trailer, a ride-on mower, a compressor, or any piece of gear with a decent price tag, you can finance it specifically against the asset. The equipment serves as security, which usually means easier approval and better rates than a general unsecured loan for the same amount. So what can a handyman business actually borrow? Non-bank lenders, which is where most trade businesses get their finance, because banks are slow and prefer dealing with larger companies, will typically lend anywhere from $10,000 to $500,000. What they look at is straightforward: how long you've been trading, what your monthly revenue looks like, and your last 3 to 6 months of bank statements. Most want to see at least 6 months of ABN history and a minimum monthly turnover, usually in the range of $5,000 or more, depending on what you're asking for. Your credit score gets checked, but it's not the only thing that matters. A handyman with consistent bank statements and solid cash flow can still get approved even if their score isn't spotless. Non-bank lenders are assessing your business as it is now, not just your financial history from years ago. The application itself is quick. Most non-bank lenders have an online form that takes around 10 minutes to fill out. You'll need your ABN, some basic business details, and 3 to 6 months of bank statements. Decisions usually come back the same day or next business day. If you're approved, funds can be in your account within 24 hours. No branch visit, no lengthy back and forth, no waiting 3 weeks for a no. Before you commit to anything, compare across at least 3 lenders. Rates vary, and the total cost of a loan matters more than the headline rate. A broker or comparison platform can pull multiple offers in one go without impacting your credit score. Link in the description to compare business loan options suited to your handyman business. Takes under 10 minutes, and there's no credit hit, just to check what's available. This is general information only, not financial advice. Consider your own circumstances before you apply.